unattend or para pwede po ninyong balik-balikan. Okay, so designing an advertisement. So this is now week number 4. So to start with, we have our objective. For the first objective, we're going to identify and discover the basic of advertising design. And the second objective is we are going to distinguish and create a printed advertisement. Okay? Again, we're going to create a printed advertisement. That's why you're going to use the Microsoft Word. Sana. Pero kung sakaling walang gagamitin, you can draw it na lang po using a bond paper or any clean sheet of paper and of course, your art material. Now, so this time we're now going to proceed to the advertising. So we are going to discuss the different advertisement strategies on how are we going to offer our product into the different people or into our target market. So we have our process question that we are going to realize later on during the discussion video or during our discussion and at the end of our session po. And these are the questions that we need to answer and realize into this session. So how does the art of advertising design help us in creating an effective and efficient document? So paano nakakatulong ang advertising design daw sa paggawa ng maganda at epektibong dokumento? Okay? So, yan yung question na sasagutan natin sa ating session for today. So, let us start by discovering what is exactly an advertisement. Ano nga bang advertisement? Before we create an advertisement or advertising design, before we come up with advertising design, we need to understand first what is an advertisement itself. Okay, it says here, advertisements are persuasive message that calls or draw the attention of the viewers or to take notice of the product or idea. So from the word persuasive message, okay, and our objective here now is to call, okay, to call the attention of our audience, to call the attention of our viewers. Okay, what for? Why do we need to call their attention? To notice our product. So that is the purpose of advertisement. That is our purpose later on. We're going to create an advertisement to call the attention of our viewers or to call the attention of people. What for? To notice our product and to buy, of course, our product or ideas. Okay? There are numerous ways in advertising product. Nowadays, you can pay for few minutes of air and of course, or a small space in World Wide Web. So, kung makapapansin natin, napakarami ng advertisement. Okay, napakaraming paraan para gumawa ng advertisement o magpakalat ng advertisement. Number one dyan na na-encounter natin is yung television. Okay, di ba sa ating TV, napakaraming patalastas. Yung mga patalastas na yun, that is now advertisement. And what is their goal? Their goal now is to catch our attention and of course to buy their product. Okay, so another way in advertising a product is using an airtime. Pag sinabing airtime, using a radio. Diba sa ating radio, once na nakikinig tayo ng radio, meron pa rin siyang mga advertisement or tinatawag natin sa Tagalog na patalastas. Okay? And ang goal ng advertisement na yun or patalastas na yun is to buy or to catch our attention and of course to buy their product. Okay? And of course, madami or mas madami tayo nakikitang advertisement sa ating cyberspace, which is our space on the internet. Pag sinabi natin cyberspace, ito yung pag nagpunta tayo sa internet, yun na yung space natin sa internet. So that is what we call cyberspace. Now, pag nasa internet tayo, hindi ba't madami tayo na-encounter na advertisements? Okay, kaya nga nabuo dyan yung ad block. Okay, so nagpa-pop up ng mga advertisement. Ano ang purpose nun or ano ang goal ng advertisement na yun? Okay, they are convincing us to buy their product. So as you can see, they have different ways in advertising a product, but they have one goal only. And that one goal is to catch the attention of their viewers. And that will be our goal in creating an advertisement. Our goal will be to catch the attention of our viewers. Okay? So we're going to create an effective and efficient advertisement that can catch the attention of our viewers in order for our viewers to encourage them to buy our product. Okay? Okay, i-encourage natin silang tangkilikin ng ating produkto. Okay? But, of course, in advertisement, there is a traditional way in advertising a product, and that is no other than a classic poster or an advertising design. So, ito yung gagawin natin, or this will be our final output, or this will be our project into this week, or LAS into this week. We're going to create a classic poster that can catch the attention of our audience. So how are we going to do that? Paano nga ba nakakagawa ng ganyang advertising product? We have what we call the 5 elements of advertising design. Okay? Advertising design. Kaya nakakagawa tayo ng mga ganitong advertisements because they are following the 5 advertising design. So again, this will be our output or LAS output for week number what week number is this? Week number 4. Okay? So, what is now the different advertising design elements? For the first advertising design elements, we have 5. Okay, the first one is no other than the visuals. Once we said visuals, take note, the visuals is the image itself. Okay, people usually pay attention to the pictures than words. So dito sa visuals, pictures or images talk more than the words. Kasi nga, pag tumingin tayo sa mga advertisement, ano nga bang nakikita natin kaagad? Of course, yung picture ng product. Bago tayo pumunta sa details ng product or bago tayo pumunta sa description ng product. Okay? So, example of advertising design elements, nasaan dyan? O, ano yung una nung nakita nung nakita nyo ang advertising design nito na to? Nung nakita nyo tong advertisement na to? Of course, ang una nating nakita is no other than the picture of the product. Okay? Picture of the product. Kaya nga kung minsan sa mga marketing strategy, pinepeke nila yung mga product or let's say for example, kung nakakapanood kayo sa mga Facebook or videos sa Facebook na kung saan kaya nagiging maganda yung product kasi nga hindi pala yun yung eksaktong itsura ng product. But that is one strategy in order for the advertiser to advertise, to advertise their product, the picture itself. Okay, so visuals, pictures talks more than the word. Anong una natin napansin dito? The picture itself, the picture of the product. Okay, so next advertising design element, we have also the caption. A caption is a phrase or a sentence used to summarize the importance of a chart, graphs, illustration, photographs, or tables that is included into our advertisement. Okay, so ito yung words or phrases or sentences na ipinapakita niya daw kung ano importance ng mga charts, graphs, illustration, photographs na nakalagay or naka-include sa ating advertisement. So example of caption. Ano nga ba yung mga description? Di ba nakita natin kanina yung illustration or yung visuals? So this is now what we call the caption. So this caption is a description or describing the importance of our illustration. What is our illustration? Yung picture ng ating product. Okay, so that is what we call the caption. The picture or it shows the importance of the illustration. Okay, so that is the caption. So it describes the importance of the illustration. So without this caption, hindi natin malalaman kung ano yung picture, kung ano yung pinapakita or ano yung sinasabi ng picture. Okay, kung ano yung sinasabi ng different elements sa ating advertisement. So that is the caption. Okay, it shows or it describes or it shows the importance of our images. It shows the importance of our tables kasi sometimes yung mga advertisement, may mga tables, may mga charts, may mga graph. So, kung ano yung mga elements na yun na nag-show ng importance ng mga graph, without them, hindi natin malalaman kung ano yung mga illustration, what does the illustration talks about, and what does the tables talks about, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is the purpose of the caption. The importance, it shows the importance of illustrations, graphs, tables. Okay, tables and other elements of advertising design. Okay, next advertising design elements, we have the headline. This is also the most important, one of the most important of advertising design element because it is an extra large opening statement used in a layout. We can tell this one as the title of the advertisement. What is the advertisement talks about? Okay, dito natin makikita kung ano nga ba yung tinutukoy ng ating advertisement. So into this example, we have our headline. Okay, that headline. Okay, through this headline, alam natin kung ano yung sinasabi ng ating advertisement. So usually, headline is the largest font size of our advertisement. Has the largest font size of our advertisement. Okay? So that is para siyang title ng ating advertisement. Okay? So that is headline. Pero usually, hindi in a title form ang headline. Minsan, ang headline, ang ginagamit nila is tagline. Okay? Ang nilalagay nila is tagline, pero nakalagay, naka-locate siya sa headline. So, the tagline itself can now be a headline. Okay? So, parang ito, headline. Merong title, then sa baba, merong tagline. Taste the word for, yes, something like that. Okay, next element, we have the copy. Copy refers to a written material in contrast to the photograph or other elements. So sabi natin kanina sa visual, images or pictures talks more than to the words. Meron tayong sinasabing words. Okay, so yung words na yun na yung tinatawag nating copy. Okay, copy. So, asan ba dito yung ating copy? So, it is an additional description about our advertisement. So, it can be in a form of sentence or phrases. It can be in a form of paragraphs. So, it is an additional information of our advertisement. So, nakikita ba yung ating tawag nito? Copy. So, yan po si copy. Okay? Next element, we have the signature. Contains the advertiser's name and the contact number. So it contains the advertiser's name and the contact number. So yun yung doon natin ilalagay o yun yung tinatawag natin na signature. So ang advertising or advertisement pala dapat may pangalan din. Of course, yes, para alam natin kung kaninong company yun, anong company yun, at kung ano yung kukontakin natin once we are going to buy their product. Okay, so yun yung tinatawag nating signature. Okay, so let's have a short review. So we have the caption, we have the headline. Okay, so headline is the largest text in our advertising design. And of course, we have the copy, the additional description about our advertisement. We have also the caption. It shows the importance of our illustration, graphs, photographs, and other elements of our advertisement. And of course, we have the visual. Okay, the visual is the picture of our product or the picture of our product that we want to sell. Okay, so visuals pay attention, or people pay attention more on the visual, on the picture than to the words. Okay? Una nilang nakikita kasi ang picture bago pumunta sa mga iba't ibang description ng ating advertisement. So then we have also the signature, the name of the advertiser itself, and of course the contact number. Pero ang nilagay lang niya dito is the name itself. Kasi nga, kilala naman na itong company. Okay, which is no other than the McDonald's. Okay? And of course, hindi pa, paano tayo gagawa ng ganong advertisement? Okay, ano yung mga kailangan nating isaulo? Ano yung mga kailangan nating sundan para makagawa ng advertisement na ganon? So, dapat pala may mga ganito, may mga ganyan. So, paano natin ngayon gagawin or susundan yung mga elements na yun? So, dapat dun sa ating advertisement, present yung 5 elements na yon para maging effective yung ating advertisement. Okay? So, ano yung mga tips and tricks para makagawa ng magandang design? Ito naman, para makagawa ng magandang design. Kanina, para ano yung mga content ng advertisement natin. Kasi hindi naman po pwedeng ilagay natin sa advertising natin, ilagay natin lahat ng mga information. So, ano lang ba yung mga pwede natin ilagay na information sa ating advertisement? That's why yun yung 5 advertising design elements. So, dapat dun sa ating advertisement, meron yung 5 advertising design elements. So now, what is now the tricks? Okay, the tips and tricks in designing an advertisement. So first one, the contrast is good. First step is to emphasize the contrast. Pag sinabing contrast, make sure na ilalagay natin color or make sure or be sensitive on the different colors na ilalagay natin. Example, yung font or yung text natin is light. Dapat yung background natin ay dark. Kasi hindi naman pwede na yung words natin is light, tapos yung background natin is light. Hindi po mababasa yung mga words. Make sure that the words is readable by being sensitive on the contrast. Kung dark yung text or dark yung front, dapat yung background ay light. Kung light naman yung front, dapat ang background ay dark. Okay? Hindi pwedeng light to light, dark to dark. Okay? So, light to dark, and then dark to light. Okay, you have a variety of fonts and colors. Choosing the right fonts and using them well is the key. So, of course, gagamit tayo ng maganda or appropriate na font style. Hindi naman po pwede na yung mga font style natin ay puro curly, curly, curly agad na parang hindi na nababasa. Ganon. So, make sure that our font style is readable enough for everyone. Okay, not just for one person, but it is readable for everyone. Okay, so contrast is good. Next, maintain balance. So example sa maintaining and balance. Pag sinabi natin balance, hindi naman po pwede na lahat ng mga information ay nasa left lahat. Then dun sa nasa right is blanco. Okay? Hindi naman po pwedeng ganun. So make sure na hindi po mabigat yung ating advertisement. So kung may mga laman yung nasa left, dapat may mga balance na laman din yung nasa right. And make sure na hindi siya nakakahilong tignan. Okay? Yun yung reason kung bakit in-identify muna natin yung 5 elements para yung 5 elements na lang yun, na yun, yung ilalagay natin sa ating advertisement. Next one, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Make sure that your picture is at least 25% space of your space into your advertisement. Hindi naman po pwede na siya yung pinakamaliit. Okay? Of course, yung picture yung hindi naman sa pinakamalaki, pero at least 25% of the space of your advertisement. Okay? So, dapat yung picture natin owns 25% sa ating space sa ating advertisement. Okay? Hindi naman po pwedeng pinakamaliit, hindi lang po pwedeng pinakamalaki sa lahat yung picture. Make sure na nakabalance siya. Make sure na you are going to put the correct location of your images into your advertisements. Okay? Kahit isa lang yung picture nyo, kung nailagay nyo yan sa tamang lugar, at nailagay nyo or nakapag-decide kayo ng tamang size, then that is a good enough and that is an excellent advertisement. Okay? Next, we have also to know, next one is to know your customer. It is always good to know what your target market want to see. What is the pleasing or appealing to them. So you need to know your customers. Example, kung matatanda yung kung matatanda yung target market natin or yung magiging customers natin, ano ang mga gagamitin natin font style, ano yung mga gagamitin natin font color. Dapat ba yung mga napakaliit na font style? Okay, hindi naman po pwede yun. Reminder, take note of our target market. Ano, dapat ba yung mga colorful na na colors? Okay? Of course, hindi naman pwede yun kung ang target market natin is the old ones. Kasi usually, ang tinitignan ng mga the old ones na is hindi na yung mga colorful but um, appealing to their eyes is no other than yung mga simple colors lang. Okay? Pero kung ang target market natin ay mga bata, let's say for example, 10 years old, ganun. Okay, kaya ang nakikita natin sa Jollibee o yung mga advertisement ng Jollibee is mga colorful one kung ang target market nila ay mga bata. Punong-puno yan ng kulay. Kasi ano nga ba ang appealing sa mata ng mga bata? Ang appealing sa mga mata ng mga bata is no other than colorful or yung mga colors, na mga light colors. Okay? Doon sila na-attract. Okay? So, you need to know your customer. Next, remember your goal. Okay? Recall your goal. That our goal or what we want is to sell sell with our advertisements. So our goal is to catch the attention of our audience, to catch the attention of our viewers, to catch the attention of the people in order for them to buy our product. So ang goal natin is tangkilikin ng mga tao ang ating produkto. That is the purpose of our advertisement. Okay? So, here are some example of a good advertisement. Kasi later on, gagawa kayo, or into this week, gagawa kayo ng advertisement. So, yan yung output nyo. Reminder, that is a performance task, 60% of your grade. So, this is an example of advertisements. Kung mapapansin, they choose kung light yung text, dark yung nasa background. Okay? Another example of advertisement. Okay, we have another example. So parang ito, know your customer. Sino bang magiging customer mo? Is yung mga bibili ng mga computer. So ito yung mga nasa adult na person na. So kaya ang ginamit niya mga colors is yung mga simple colors lang. Okay, then of course, this one, okay, ano ba yung product nung second advertisement natin? It is a building, a luxurious house. That's why ang ginawa niya or ang ginamit niya is no other than color gold. Okay, kasi nakaka-attract din sa magandang bahay ang color gold. Okay, next advertisement is no other than the Coca-Cola. Okay, so that's why. Those are the different good examples of a good advertisements. Okay, so may question po ba St. John?
Wala po.
Okay, so
Wala na po, sir.
wala.